In this video, I will guide you how to draw a cone. So first you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes and draw a straight line. And now hold down the shift key and draw a straight line like this one. And go to the shape format and click on the shape outline and change the dashes. Go to the shape outline and increase the width to 3 pt. Control D to make a duplicate copy. Move it over here. Now rotate it like this one. Make sure keep it in center and Control D to make another duplicate copy and rotate it like this one. And Control D to make another duplicate line and rotate it and join the corner like this one. Select both lines, go to the shape format, click on the shape outline and change the dashes to the straight line. And now go to the insert, click on the shapes, and now this time you need to pick the block arrow under the basic shapes. Click on that and draw a block arrow like this one. You can curve it, and from this orange dot you need to remove it, curve and make a straight line. Move over here. So Control D to make a duplicate copy, rotate it like this one. Select the above arrow, go to the shape format, go to the shape outline, click on the dashes and select the dot. Now hold down the Control key and select all the lines. Right click and click group. Now you can easily move this shape to anywhere. So this way you can easily draw a cone in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.